Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about singleness. Never mourn your singleness. Life is lived in stage and phases. Every individual stage is unique and good. Every stage of life is preparation for the next stage, and if one fails to take advantage of each stage and maximize it, it may enter to next stage unprepared. Singleness is not sign. Singleness is not sickness. Singleness is not a curse. Singleness is not disease. Singleness is not plague. Singleness is not problem. Singleness is not limitation. Singleness is not bondage. You cannot go to the doctor and tell him you are sick and need treatment because you are singleness. Singleness is a gift from God that you must attain and maintain to be successful in life and even in marriage. Being single, if well understood, does not hinder you from any good thing that God has destined you. You can be single and solid. You can be single and anointed. You can be single and sound. You can be single and successful. You can be single and fulfilled. You can be single and spiritual. You can be single and prosperous. You can be single and be all that you can be. Don't confuse being unmarried and being single as the same thing. The following are long consult and open the door to all kind of unnecessary pressure. It makes single people not to be content and joyful in their singleness. It makes